Hello students, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to solve all the problems from class 8 mathematics exercise 1.1. So let's start the solutions. In the first question you can see, we have to solve the sum by using any property we have known about. In this one particularly, we're going to use the distributive property, which we know goes like this. So it start out with A multiplied with B plus A multiplied with C. Then I can take this A common out, and inside the bracket you will have B plus C. All right, now we're going to solve this one, and in this one we're going to point out some common numbers. Like in this one I can see we have one 3 by 5 here and one more 3 by 5 here. Now in the first step I'm going to take this 3 by 5 close to each other so that I can take common. So it will be equals minus 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 5, and I can take the 3 by 5 close to this one, and it will be multiply 1 by 6, and the only number which is left out is 5 by 2. Now let's take the common 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is taken common. It will be minus 2 by 3 and it minus 1 by 6. Addition of plus 5 by 2. Now let's take the LCM inside the bracket so we can solve this fractions. So LCM will be 6, and 3 divided by 6 is 2. So it's minus 2 multiplied with 2. And the 6 divided by 6 is 1. So it's 1 multiply 1. And addition of 5 by 2. Now let's do the next step. In the next step, we're going to solve this simple calculations. So 3 by 5 is like that only. So it's minus 2 multiplied 2 is minus 4. And it's minus 1 divided by 6. And with the addition of 5 by 2. Till now, everything going really smooth. So let's solve the remaining portion. So it will be 3 by 5. And inside it will become minus 4 minus 1 will be minus 5 divided by 6. And the addition of 5 by 2. All right. Now I can easily cut some numbers here. I can easily cancel out this 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. And 5 with a 1 and here with a minus 1. So I will have this number minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So I can take easily LCM as 2 minus 1 plus 5. So it will become 4 by 2, which is eventually 2. Now let's solve the next problem. Next problem is pretty much simple than this one. So it's the same thing, just addition of one extra multiplication here. Again, we have to look for some common numbers. So here I can easily see 1 2 by 5 is right here, and 1 more 2 by 5 is right here. So again, let's take this number close to each other. So it will be 2 by 5 multiplied by minus 3 by 7, and let's keep it in bracket, and plus 1 by 14 multiplied 2 by 5, and the only number which is left out is again 1 by 6 multiplied by 3 by 2. Again, same distributive property. I'm going to take 2 by 5 as common. 2 by 5 is common. It will give me minus 3 by 7 and plus 1 by 14. And the rest out is 1 by 6 multiplied 3 by 2. Okay. Now let's take the LCM again inside the bracket part. So it will be 2 by 5. The LCM will be 14. So let's do the same calculation again. So 7 divided by 14 is 2, and we have to multiply 2 here. And since 14 divided by 14 is 1, so it's 1 multiply 1 here. And the rest of the part is same as it is because we're not solving that right now. Now let's solve it this time. 2 by 5. 3 multiplied 2 will be 6, and since the minus, so it's minus 6. And 1 multiply 1 is 1 divided by 14. And it will be minus 1 by 6 multiplied by 3 by 2. All right. So let's solve the rest of the portion. So it's 2 by 5. Minus 6 plus 1 will be minus 5 and divided by 14. All right. And minus 1 by 6 multiply 3 by 2. This is 6. Now let's do this. So 2 multiply 1 is 2 and 2 multiply 7 is 14. 5 multiply 1 is 5 and 5 multiply minus 1 is minus 5. And here also I can cancel out 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So what will I have? I will have minus 1 by 7 and minus it will be 1 by 4. So to solve this sum, we have to make these two denominators same. So for doing that, I can use rationalization. So in rationalization, it's minus 1 multiply 4 and it's 7 multiply 4 minus 1 multiply 7 and 4 multiply 7. So this will give me minus 4 by 28 and minus it will become 7 by 28. So let's do this now. It's very simple to solve. So LCM will be 28 and it's minus 4 minus 7. So it will be minus 11 by 28 and that's your answer.